everyone, this is Lindsay O'Brien with Grace and Beauty Boutique. Today we are going to go over taking your measurements to compare them to the Piphany size chart. Here at Piphany, we take pride in the fact that our clothes fit every body. That is why we carry sizes extra small through 3X. To get the correct measurements, you are going to need something to write on, something to write with, and of course, a flexible measuring tape. So let's get started. First, we're going to measure our bust, then the waist, and lastly the hips. To measure your bust, wrap the measuring tape around your body, making sure to measure across the fullest part of your chest. My bust measured 35 inches, which falls on the low end of size small. To get your waist measurement, measure the slimmest part of your waistline, which is above your navel but below your rib cage. My waist measures 30.5 inches, which falls in between a small and a medium. Our last measurement are the hips. When measuring your hips, make sure you measure the fullest part of your hip area, not pulling the tape measure too tight. My hips measured 41 inches, which falls in the middle of size small. Now that I have my 3 measurements, I can compare them to the Piphany size chart. After comparing my measurements to the size chart and taking into account how I like my clothes to fit, I can confidently say that I am a Piphany size small.